say it was very, very strong. It could have even been stronger than it has been in the last fortnight or month. Very, very good cents per kilogram wise. You know, there was a big variation in cents per kilogram across the board because there was a big variation in weight of cattle today. So, yeah, there was certainly some good lines of joined or unjoined heifers that sold very, very well. The secondary heifers, you know, could have been about the same as what they have been in recent sales. Cows and calves were generally, you know, there were some nice lines of cows and calves here that I thought could have made a little bit more money today. But you know, in current conditions and you know, making comparisons with fat prices, they went pretty well. Definitely since Christmas time we've had a large increase in the market. All sectors of the market being both fat cattle and store cattle, so it's gone in the right direction, that's for sure. Our cattle have come from as far away as Bombala, up in Benambra, a lot of local cattle, Lindenow and all about the place. Generally our buyers, 80% to 90% of our buyers do come from South Gippsland. They're very strong supporters of our market here at Bairnsdale. Obviously we've got a lot of good fattening country down there. They're pretty much all finishers. Most of the buyers today take these cattle home and finish them to sell them back through the fat market. This is probably, there's been a lot of people been in it than I have, but the season's certainly extraordinary. It's one that you don't see very, very often.